Don't worry, we'll protect the baby.
Shoo! Leave him alone! Whee! Faster! Faster! Huh? Ah! Ooh! Ow! Huh? A nest? A baby bird! Oh, you poor thing. You must have fallen from that tree. Where are your parents? Is that them? They seem busy. Shoo! Go away! It's too dangerous to leave you here. How am I going to reach that? What am I going to do with you? Oh, let's put you here for now.
Go, kite, go!
Up, up, and away!
My kite is flying higher than yours, Katie.
Not anymore, Leo.
We'll see about that. Oops! Oh, no! There it goes. Hi, Junior Ranger Zari. What's up?
Hi, Leo. I found a baby bird. Its nest fell out of a tree, but I can't put it back. Do you know what type of bird it is?
I'm not sure, Zari.
Let's find out more about it on the computer. Here, Hero.
Enjoy flying that kite, Hero.
Let's see what type of bird this is. It's a black-naped oriole. They're one of the most common bird species in Singapore. The adults have black bands around their eyes that stretch to the backs of their necks. Both males and females have golden yellow bodies, yellow-black wings, red irises, and deep pinkish bills. The upper bodies of the females have more yellowish-green parts than the males. Baby black-naped orioles have dark-colored bills and irises. They have less or no colored streaks on their chests. And lastly, orioles feed on fruits and insects. Oh, so you like fruits and insects? Oh no! The car is gone! I put the baby oriole on top of a car to keep it safe.
So now the bird's gone too? We'll come over. Ranger out. Let's go find the missing baby oriole. Let's hurry over to Zari.
Where are you, baby oriole?
Hi, Zari.
Hi, Leo. Hi, Katie. No sign of the baby oriole yet.
Don't worry. I'm sure I'll find it soon.
Let's split up. We'll look for it from the air while you continue looking down here. Got it.
Jetpack activate.
Have you found it, Leo?
No, but I'll keep looking.
Any luck finding the baby oriole, Katie? Not yet.
Hello, Junior Ranger Leo.
Ranger Rocky, what are you doing here?
I've been busy monitoring the wind patterns used by migrating birds. How about you?
A car drove away with a baby black-naped oriole. We're trying to find it.
I saw its parents chasing some crows, but I don't know where they are now.
Black-naped orioles are known to chase other types of birds when protecting their young. Sometimes they chase each other too, but they're not always so fierce. It's common to see high-speed chases in the air when the males are trying to make friends with the females.
I hope we find the baby oriole soon.
I'll help with the search.
Thanks, Ranger Rocky.
Jetpack activate! Where are you, baby oriole? Aha! Found you! Oh no! The crows are back!
Don't worry, we'll protect the baby.
Shoo! Leave him alone!
Let's get this nest back where it belongs.
Grass, roots. This must be where the nest fell from.
There, you'll be safe here.
Uh-oh!
I've got you.
We need to find a safer place to put the nest, where the wind isn't so strong. Oh, let's use this pinwheel to check for a place with less wind. Great idea, Zari. No, too fast.
What about here?
There's hardly any wind. The nest should be safe there. No, look. It's too close to the ground.
How about this branch? Not too low and not too high.
The wind here isn't too strong. It's perfect.
There you go. Now you're safe.
Good work, Junior Rangers.
Not me. I left the nest in the car and put the baby Oriole in danger.
Everyone makes mistakes, Zari. Just learn from them and try better next time.
The parents are back.
That's great! Mission accomplished. I'm glad we managed to return the baby black-naped Oriole to its parents.
Hero? What's he up to?
You found my kite! Thanks, Hero. Can you bring it up here, please? Huh? Come back, Hero.
Ha ha! My kite is definitely higher than yours now.
Not fair! Hero, give me back my kite!
Good job, children. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
Hi, Junior Rangers! You may not see wild animals in your everyday life,
But if you ever happen to encounter them, remember these ABCs.
A. Avoid contact with the animal.
B. Be calm. C. Call an adult to help you. Hi, Junior Ranger Kai. Glad you made it.
Hi, Zari. Thanks for inviting me and Greenie over. Look, Greenie, it's such a beautiful day. Doesn't it make you want to sing? Greenie just stopped singing one day. I don't know what's wrong.
I really thought bringing him out here would help. Let me try something. That didn't work.
Maybe Greenie's just unhappy? Or do you think he's sick?
Oh, I know who can help us. Ranger Katie saw a lion, E-I-E-I-O. And that big lion looked so strong, E-I-E-I-O.
Hi, Junior Ranger Zari.
Hi, Leo. Hi, Katie. Look who's with me.
Hi, guys.
Oh, hi, Junior Ranger Kai.
We need your help.
Meet Greenie. He's a greater green leaf bird. We're trying to get him to sing, but nothing seems to work.
Let me see what I can find on the computer.
Stay with us, Zari and Kai.
Greater green leaf bird. Here we go. The greater green leaf bird is the largest and heaviest of the leaf birds. They get their name from their green feathers, which helps them blend into the environment. Males have black feathers on their faces, while females have yellow feathers at their throats and a ring of yellow feathers around their eyes. Greater green leaf birds have a loud voice, which helps them communicate over long distances. It sounds like this. Wow, so that's what Greenie's supposed to sound like. If only Greenie would sing like that.
We'll come right over to help. Ranger out. Let's hurry over to Zari.
Ba 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 bee bee boo. I thought that would at least get a chirp from him.
Hi, Kai. Hi, Zari. Did Greenie sing? Did we miss it?
Hey, guys. No, you didn't miss anything.
Maybe if we sing for him, he might want to join in. Ranger Katie saw a lion.
Oh, boy.
E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, man. Still nothing.
Hello, Junior Rangers.
Ranger Rocky.
Rocky?
What are you doing on this glorious day?
We're trying to help Kai's bird friend, Greenie, find his voice.
Ah, greater green leaf birds do sound lovely. Their calls are a sequence of smooth warbles mixed with chattering and the mimicry of other bird calls. It has a powerful hooked bill, which it uses to pierce fruits. The bird also uses its bill to get nectar when it visits flowers. Sorry, Junior Rangers, I've got to finish my run. Good luck with Greenie.
Bye, Ranger Rocky.
We still don't know how to help Greenie.
Didn't Ranger Rocky say that these leaf birds mimic other types of birds? Well, we should look for other birds.
Great idea, Katie. We'll look in the forest over there. You guys stay here and keep Greenie company.
Sure.
Okay, Leo.
Jetpack activate. Found anything, Katie?
Not yet, Leo. I'm gonna take a closer look.
Where could all the birds be?
Oh!
I guess they're not in here.
Leo, Katie, you're back. And with bird friends.
Maybe one of them can help Greenie sing.
Whoa! Look at how many birds Hero found.
Great work, guys. Now let's help Greenie sing. Anything else we can try?
Hello, Junior Rangers. How's it coming along?
We found some birds to help Greenie sing, but that didn't work.
Oh my!
If it's so hard to find others like Greenie, does that mean we can't do anything to help him?
Cheer up, Junior Rangers. You can try again tomorrow. Besides, whether Greenie sings or not, you've helped him meet so many new friends.
You're right, Ranger Rocky. We should get these birds home. Let's fly them back, Hero. Hero, you okay? Hey, yellow throat feathers, yellow eye ring. It looks like a female greater green leaf bird.
Greenie, you're singing.
You go, Greenie!
Mission accomplished. I'm glad we managed to help the greater green leaf bird sing.
Ranger Katie saw a lion, E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, that's smart, Hero.
Good job, children. You are amazing wildlife rangers. Hello? Hello?
Hi, Junior Rangers. You may not see wild animals in your everyday life,
But if you ever happen to encounter them, remember these ABCs.
A. Avoid contact with the animal.
B. Be calm. C. Call the authorities. Shh! Keep quiet. That's better. Let me sleep. Huh? Time to roll! Stop following me! Shoo! Go away! Again? Stop making so much noise, bird! Where are you at? Come on out!
Here, little bird, enjoy your meal.
I really like the sparrow song, Leo.
Me too, Katie.
Aw, Hero. Hi, Leo.
Hi, Zari. What's that sound?
It's coming from an annoying, noisy bird that seems to be following me everywhere. I think it's stalking me. Really? I don't think a bird would stalk a person.
Can you send us a picture of the bird so we can find out more about it?
I don't have one. I can't seem to find it in the trees. You can send us a recording of the bird's call. The computer can analyze the sound and tell us what type of bird it is. Okay, sent. Let me know what you find out.
Sure. Stay on the line, Zari.
Let's see what type of bird it is. It's an Asian call. They are found in a variety of habitats, from woodland and mangroves to gardens, parks, and even residential areas. You probably encountered different calls throughout the day, Zari. So there's no bird stalking me. But why are the calls making so much noise? That noise is the sound of a male's mating call. Male and female calls have different calls. They also look different. Males are bluish-black, and females are brown with white spots. Both have bright red eyes.
If Zari heard the sound of a male's mating call, that means there's an Asian koal nearby looking for a girlfriend. We should go over and help him.
We get to be matchmakers? Awesome! See you soon! Ranger out!
Ranger out.
Guys, please stop fighting!
What's going on up there?
It looks like two male koalas are fighting over a female.
Oh no! You poor thing. Don't worry. There's got to be a lady out there for you.
Yeah, there's no need to fight. First, let's help you become more attractive so the ladies can't resist you. Any ideas on what we could do to help him?
We should improve his mating call. It'll be much better if he could sing sweetly like the sparrows.
I'll teach him to sing better. Now you try. No, it's like this.
This is not working. What if we help him look more attractive?
Some birds attract females with their colorful feathers. He needs more color.
We could make him a colorful crown?
Good idea, Zari. Let's search for things around here that we can use to make the crown.
There you go, little guy. Awesome! I think he's ready.
Great! Now, Hero, fly up into the trees and help us find a female Asian koal.
Good idea, Leo. I'm sure there's one up there somewhere.
Nothing in this tree. Let's try the next one. Did you find something, Hero? Ranger Rocky?
Hello, Junior Rangers.
What are you doing in the tree, Ranger Rocky?
I just released a bird that has recovered from an injury. Why do you have an Asian koal with flowers on his head?
We're helping him find a girlfriend. Have you seen any female Asian koals?
Yes, I have. The bird I just released is a female Asian koal. But a colorful crown is no way to a female koal's heart. Male Asian koals use their loud calls to attract females. The excited male chases the female along branches or trees. Asian koals engage in courtship feeding. This is when the male brings food, like fruits or insects, to the female.
So food is the way to a female koal's heart.
Then I'll just remove this. There! You're perfect the way you are.
Is that the sound of a female koal's call?
Yes, it certainly is.
That means the female koal is still in the tree. Go get her, buddy.
Here, take a piece of fruit to her.
That's it. Show her how much you love her.
Don't give up.
Aww,
You did it!
that's so romantic.
All right, Junior Rangers. Let's give the koal couple some privacy.
Goodbye, koals.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy your day.
Mission accomplished. Hit subscribe and click the like icon.